Hi, Ellie here, and today we're talking about wood. First, we're going to explore the perfect combination of using real wood and lumpwood charcoal together to achieve the perfect heat and flame for your pizza oven cooking experience. By combining these two fuels, you'll achieve the ideal balance of heat and flame size for your pizza cook. I add the lumpwood charcoal to the grate. Lumpwood charcoal is known for its high heat output and minimal ash production. Spread an even layer of lumpwood charcoal over the grate. Let me know in the comments if you place your charcoal on top of your wood. I've tried that and it didn't work for me, but I'm interested to know what you do. I've used a number of brands of lumpwood over time and have now settled on this brand. So I use Big G restaurant quality grade charcoal, 15 kilogram bag, lasts me a good while, and I use it for my Komodo Junior as well. The charcoal I use is it's quite so I got some nice big pieces and I got some smaller ones so I can fit them into my grates, my different sized grates, and they last me a good while. So I think the quality of this particular brand that I've settled on is really good. It doesn't spit at me, they don't like spark. I found that some of the other cheaper brands that I've had have sparked a lot. They kind of like explode in the oven. So I'm very happy. It's a nice big piece. I'm not sponsored by this brand or anything. It's just the brand that I've settled on using. Definitely use lumpwood charcoal with your cooking. Your lumpwood would go on the bottom of your grate and then the wood on above it, so you need to have enough room in your grate for both, so you may need a lot less than that to start off your oven. I normally put about that much in there, depending which oven I'm using. It's not the cheapest brand I've used, but it's good quality and lasts longer. The pieces are nice and chunky and burn well. Lumpwood charcoal is made from pure wood, often sourced from hardwoods like oak, hickory or fruitwood. This natural composition gives it a cleaner and more woody cooking experience, as there are no artificial flavours or chemicals imparted onto the food. The irregular shapes of the lumpwood create better airflow, resulting in higher temperatures, which is great for heating up the pizza oven. It lights quickly and reaches cooking temperature fast. This is due to its lower moisture content and the absence of additives. This quick ignition is perfect for heating the pizza oven up fast. The lack of fillers means there is less material to burn, resulting in less residue. There is very little ash left in my grate after a wood-fired pizza cook. Now once we have the lumpwood set into the grate, we can add our real wood logs. Ensure the wood is seasoned and free of any chemicals or additives that could affect the pizza. This is the wood I use. It's really good value and it burns really well. It's kiln-dried birch wood with little moisture content. I buy them from my local hardware shop, the UK's B&M or Home Bargains. They are packaged in carryable plastic bags. There are varied wood types that you can use, but from my experience, the pizza cook is so fast that the smoke from these woods doesn't have time to flavour the pizza, and so I don't spend money on expensive apple or fruit woods, for example for the pizza oven. That's why I buy the basic birch wood. Well seasoned and properly dried wood logs have a long burning time, providing a consistent heat source for extended cooking sessions. This is perfect for our oven, and so now we add the log or logs to the grate. I may need to cut the logs into manageable pieces, but I try to buy bags that have the size logs I need. I use logs that just fit into the grate. I want the log to be as big as they can be to fit in, and the reason why is that I learnt this from the Ooni pros. The bigger the log, the longer it takes to burn, and the less time I need to keep an eye on the fuel and to top up the grate. Ovens have different sized grates, and they can take bigger or smaller logs. My aim is to set up the grate with a large log and to fit in any other pieces to fill up the grate. Because the wood comes in different shapes, this mix allows for perfect airflow in between the wood and the charcoal. This will provide us with a source of fuel positioned to ignite easily and able to maintain that consistent heat we need throughout the cooking process. Light the wood and lumpwood charcoal using a chimney starter or another preferred method, and mine is using a butane gas flame burner. It won't take long for the charcoal to catch. I have a tip too. I increase the speed of this process by igniting a piece of kindling which sits on the lumpwood charcoal. I set that alight and then the rest catches fire from that. Kindling really catches fire fast and will keep burning long enough to spread its heat and flame to the wood and lumpwood. Monitor the temperature closely using a pizza oven thermometer. The combination of real wood and lumpwood charcoal will allow you to achieve and maintain the optimal cooking temperature of that perfect crust. If you are looking for information on how to light a wood-fired pizza oven, then check out my videos in the links above and below, where I provide a step-by-step guide into that full process. The videos provide guidance on how to control the heat of the stone in a high-heat wood-fired oven. I really love cooking with wood. It may take some more time to set up, and there is a learning curve to understand how to manage the heat and flames, but that will come by doing it again and again. I just enjoy the overall experience of wood-fired cooking, watching the flame develop and the lovely ambiance it creates. And there you have it, the perfect combination of real wood and lumpwood charcoal as a fuel source for your pizza oven. This setup will help create that lovely homemade wood-fired pizza cooking experience. Experiment with different brands to get the best that works for you and the oven. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to see more. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.